Alright, great job, you made it to the video. Here's how we're going to make the interactive notebook. First thing I did was I decided to make it way stronger. I'm going to use file folders and make a tougher version because I didn't like using the lightweight paper. So I had to start over and make a new table of contents. I got all my materials, I put everything in a box. I ripped out a piece of paper there, and then I was really, every time I'm writing something, I'm thinking about using and having a good pen where it'll be big but not too big, because I have a lot of things to add to this. So I went ahead and I used double-sided tape. I'm going to use glue and double-sided tape as well because I'm experimenting with materials. I'm making my table of contents over. If you didn't start your notebook, you can go ahead and start this with me. Start by making a table of contents page, and each time you make something, you're going to add a page. And we already made the first page, so think about the size of your writing for this. I went and got a fine tip Sharpie and I wrote rounding as the first entry, and the second one I just put angles because that's what this is all about. Got all my supplies there. You got your scissors, glue, something to write with, and again I used a more intense material this time. So I usually like to just grab stuff and start cutting away because that is the fun of it. I went and grabbed my scissors and I cut out all of the pieces to the interactive notebook, but I was careful to read the instructions once I got to the main parts because sometimes they have special cuts. And then I learned that after I cut everything out, how to glue everything by rereading the instructions on the page. And you have this page, it's inside your packet. So just take your time and read, and everything will unfold. And when you're making the actual interactive notebook page, you can play with everything, and it makes you think about important vocabulary. For example, when you write angles, the ray starts at the point, and then it's a line segment with an arrow on the end of it, and you want to put the vocabulary words in the right place. And then the other thing is the point where the two rays intersect is called the vertex. That's where I put the vertex. And the vertex was a little sticky, so I had to use double-sided tape. Angles are measured in degrees. I put that down there. I glued down the acute, right obtuse section and labeled some words for when you flip back, you can read underneath. And then I labeled my interactive angle measure on the bottom. And this was pretty fun, I have to say. It wasn't bad. So the last thing I wanted to add is don't forget to clean up. Don't forget to put the lid on the marker lid. Close or glue, tidy up. This is part of your task. You're supposed to clean up. All right, have a good day.